Hi everybody, I'm here today with Shaun Smith with Mortgage Crisis Remedies, and we wanted to talk about the Homeowner Bill of Rights for a minute here because supposedly there's been some violations that have been going on and you need to know about them. So Shaun, you want to talk about those a little bit?
Yes, what I dug up, Angie, is there's a new survey out on the housing counselors, and what they've been doing for the last 2 to 3 months is they've been collecting information from counselors that talk on the homeowner advocate side, attorneys, people that help with short sales and loan modifications, and they're finding out that the banks are not following the guidelines that were set down in the mortgage, the National Mortgage Settlement. And they're also violating the California Homeowners Bill of Rights, which just came on board January 1st.
Oh no, what kind of stuff are they doing so that the consumers can look out here?
Well, what I'm finding out, once again, is we're not seeing that single point of contact. We're supposed to be able to give your information to one person, you circle back around, possibly some information got lost, but at least somebody talks to you. That's not happening again.
Okay,
We're seeing the dual tracking going on again, which means that they're telling you from one side of the bank that we're working with you and everything's really good and you're in great shape, you're in the chute, you're almost there, and then all of a sudden they lose your documents, or they come back and tell you something else happened. But then also at the other time, they're supposed to be stopping the foreclosure. They are not. So as soon as you're denied for your loan modification or your short sale, 1 to 2 to 3 days, all of a sudden your sale is in place again. Well, how did that happen? That's called dual tracking.
Okay, so some people they're basically, paralleling the mortgage modification and the foreclosure at the same time when they're supposed to be moving forward with either one or the other. So be careful of that happening, you guys. All right, well, what can they do about it?
Well, my vote is if you are denied for your loan modification or your short sale, there's a small little clause in the Assembly Bill that's in the California Homeowners Bill of Rights. It's called Assembly Bill 1602. And what it says is, guess what? There's an appeal process. But the bank's not telling anybody about that, and that, I think, is horrendous.
Okay, all right. So basically, if you have tried to get a loan mod, if you're experiencing any of the things that Shaun mentioned, make sure if you do get a denial that you ask them about an appeal, because they're also not bringing that up to the consumer either, right?
Accidentally not letting you know that there's an appeal process if you are denied. Yes, that's evil.
So convenient, huh?
And how Mortgage Crisis Remedies is going to help is we're going to put you in front of information, and if we can, we're going to rally for your cause. If not, let's just get you some answers, and that's how we're going to help. My phone number and Mortgage Crisis Remedies is 888-770-7896. Attention, Shaun. Thanks.
Perfect. Thanks, Shaun.